Okay.
I collected some a bunch of years ago when
Look at all this
and you
hail.
ended up using them to drink.
Hail! Ow! I got hit. We got
Look at them on
hail.
the camper. Look at that moss in there.
What the fuck?
Oh Jesus, here we go.
Woo!
They were bouncing like popcorn on that thing.
Should we save our plant?
I'm getting hit.
So am I.
I'm just stepping on them.
Are you getting hit?
There's one, Aiden.
Look at him.
Look at it all. Put it in your hand, Aiden.
Oh, this thing is huge.
Whoa!
Blow in.
It started blowing on us.
Look at the hail on the floor.
They're little teeny ones, so they're not that
That's pretty good.
Wait,
You can see them.
It's big for
Wait.
this
Look at the
area,
ones
though.
in the...
Wait.
One just flew in the house.
Ah, what is going on?
Crazy.
Look at all the water.
Whoa.
Wait.
There's the one in the house, Aiden?
Yep.
Let's see.
I'm gonna step on it.
Oh, it's melting.
Ooh,
What?
look at all that water.
Oh.
There's bigger ones.
Woo! Big one. Look at them out on the road.
I hear them hitting the house.
There's big ones now.
Look at all the water in the sidewalk.
Uh-oh.
We might get a flood.
Let me just show all the hail on the...
There might be a flood, Daddy.
Look at the sidewalk and the gutters. There's like little white caps on it.